Hello, my name is Tehzeeb and welcome to my nighttime study routine on weekends. Some weekends fly by really fast, full of laughter, party, catching up with friends. Those nights are all about energy and movement, but then there are nights that are slow, quiet, and steady. Tonight, I am choosing to spend my weekend with books instead of people. As a PhD scholar, not every day feels the same. Some days push you forward, and some days remind you to pause and reflect and dive deep into your research. So while the world outside is rushing, tonight is just me, my thoughts, and the work that keeps me going. Today, I don't feel like studying that much. I am not happy with anything that is happening around me. As you can see from far away, my dressing table doesn't feel nice. My hair doesn't feel nice. I too don't feel nice. So I watched a little vlog. I've been recently watching all the people, especially Indian people, making vlogs going to Antarctica. Antarctica is my dream continent. I just want to explore the land of isolation. Here is my study setting. Today I am not using my study table. I am just using this pillow. I just want to be a little comfortable tonight. I am reading this book, taking it slow, writing about colonialism, what it did to us, how it destroyed us, how it damaged us, and what not. As you can see, my hair looks horrible today, and so is my mood. I do not want to study today, but I have to. As you can see in my eyes, I am just bored and not feeling up for it tonight. Did a little more of studies because I have to meet the deadlines. Of course, deadlines don't wait for anyone, do they? And I want to submit very quickly. So I wanted to introduce you all to Wish Care Hair Growth Serum Concentrate that I use. This is unsponsored. Nobody is sponsoring me anything. Nobody sponsors a PhD scholar anything. I just like using it. It helps me with the growth of my hair. This is one product that actually helps me. So you are supposed to use it every day. You just use 4 pumps of it on your hair, on the areas of your hair that are thinning, mostly near the forehead. So I just use one pump on both the sides, one on the center of my head and one on the crown area of my head. Then I gently massage it. Sorry for the way my hair looks here, but I can't help it. It looks the way it looks, especially when it's raining. My hair is not made for the humid atmosphere at all. And surprisingly, I was born in a humid atmosphere. So I massage my hair a bit. Using this every day helps. It has helped me. I was losing more than 100 strands of hair a day, and now I think I use approximately 10 strands of hair a day. So I just apply it to my hair every day, massage it nicely. Even on oiled hair you can apply it. Then I just tie my hair and let it stay. As you can see, my dressing table is very messy. I try to clean it on every weekend. Mostly I try to clean it while I'm talking to somebody on the phone. I have bought 4 perfumes this time. These perfumes are always gifted to somebody, but I gifted them to myself. This is Bella Vita's Date Woman. I think I like all 4 of them very much. This date is very nice. Its smell is very nice. Then there is Senorita Woman. I am not an expert in perfumes, so I cannot tell you how it smells, but it smells exotic. Somebody would ask you what you are wearing, so it is one of the best perfumes as well, Senorita. Then there is Glam Woman. This is my least favorite from the 4 set that I bought, but nonetheless it is better than most other perfumes in the market. So this is Glam Woman. This is my most favorite of the lot, Rose Woman. It smells so delicious, and somebody would ask you what you are wearing. So do buy this if you can. For all those who want to know how to cite using citation software, well, there are many citation softwares on the web. There is Zotero. So this is Zotero Research Assistant, which you could use, but I usually don't use it. They have this extension that you could download on your Windows, Mac, Android, and then you can use it to create a bibliography in your research. There is, of course, Mendeley, right, to cite and for referencing. So you can search whatever article you want to search here, and basically you can see whatever, but I don't use both Zotero and Mendeley. I use this another website called Citation Machine, and I think it is one of the best citation website ever, because since I have begun using doing research and everything, I have come to realize that it is not within my power to cite everything manually. So I use these citation softwares, and for me Citation Machine has been handy since years. So you can do APA, MLA, Chicago, whatever citation you want to do. I would like to suggest that never use what it says here, instant plagiarism checker tool. You must, if you want to publish a research paper somewhere, if you want to use a citation machine for your research, do not check your plagiarism through these citation softwares, because when I was doing my coursework, we were advised that these machines actually put your data on the web, which is not quite helpful for your research. And if you check your plagiarism through these softwares, your work could be 100% plagiarized, because your database would be uploaded. So never check your plagiarism through these softwares. So since we live on the highway, there is always this traffic noise coming from the background. Please excuse me for that. I have closed my window right now so that my voice could be audible to you all. So you to use citation machine, you first go to citations. Now say you want to cite a website. So like if you have used Oxford Dictionary, say for the word nemesis, right, you defined the word nemesis in your research through Cambridge Dictionary online, and now you want to cite that you used Cambridge Dictionary online. So you just copy, Control C, copy the website and just choose website, paste your URL here, search, and it will show you the citation that you searched the word nemesis through the URL. Click on cite. Now it will show you that this is the article, this was the URL, this is the title of the website. You accessed it on September 7th 2025. Publisher and sponsor is not there, date published is not there. So you go directly to continue. Now it will show you the information, and you are recommended to fill the highlighted fields, right? So why I am not in any mood of reading anything or studying anything? Because it has rained all day today and it is still raining, cats and dogs. So I just feel like I want to make a cup of tea for myself, sip on it and sleep. It has been a day, but I would have to study. I have some deadlines to meet. I would just enjoy this rain for a bit for now and then end up studying till 5 a.m. at least. So these are the views from my window tonight. Good night.
Thanks! Love you!